Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change payment method on Amazon Prime Video. Start by opening the Amazon website in your browser. Make sure you are signed in to the account that is linked to your Prime Video subscription. Once you are on the homepage, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see your account name. Hover your mouse over your name, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on the option that says Account. This will take you to a new page where you can manage different settings related to your account. On the Account page, look through the available options until you find Prime. Click on it to open your Prime membership settings. This section shows details about your subscription, including billing and renewal information. Now, focus on the payment section. Look for an option that says Update Payment Method. Click on this option to continue. You may be asked to confirm your identity before making changes. Next, you will see a form where you can enter your new payment details. This may include your card number, expiration date, name on the card, and billing address. Carefully enter all the required information. After filling in the details, review everything to make sure it is correct. Then click on Confirm or Save Changes to update your payment method. Your new payment method will now be linked to your Prime Video subscription. Thanks for watching.